Alright, what's going on, boys? Got a little trade recap for the morning. Um, this was uh, one of the first trades this week that we actually it was a little bit more, on the discretionary side of things. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly explain just kind of my thought process. And first things first, um, let me show you. This was P&L for the day. Um, Let me quickly go into why I was leaning a little more the way I did in the morning, and then kind of my first thoughts for the morning. So obviously, right, higher time frame and everything. It really just looks like we're in a sell model, down to this low. Um, but we actually ended up putting in a pretty fat SMT with the ES, right at like pretty much right at market open, and therefore we can act as that's that's NQ taking the low, when really we didn't, but the SMT plays as that. So um, technically, NQ took the low, right? And now I really wanted to see if we could get some good displacement from where we were. So this was open, boom, traded right down, put in the SMT. We then formed this 5 minute gap. It's a big enough gap for us to trade, right? So I was all for this, right away. Like, as I wanted to see this inverse, like on the first candle. And then from there, I just probably looked to target, this first high here, and then you could have definitely held to this intermediate high, but this was, a little more than a 1-to-1, so I was fine with that. So I'll play this forward. So boom, right away we inverse. Took this with 5 micros. TP was just right at that high, and I put my stop right at the body low. And yeah, just like that, right? Boom, boom, boom. TP. So yeah, super clean trade, right? More discretionary. I know a lot of people probably faded this because we were leaning a little more bearish, but at the same time, right, when you have that higher time frame SMT get put in, like normally right off the rip when that happens, you will see some type of expansion, especially after dumping for a while as well. So I think today was definitely an experience day. But to say the least, me and my Discord, right, we banged out. We had a phenomenal week so far. We'll see what tomorrow brings. But super happy with how everyone's doing this week. And yeah, we will hopefully keep the streak going for tomorrow and finish off the week even stronger, right? Yeah, other than that, I'm going to pop my Discord down below for you guys, for the one-on-one mentorship. We've been killing it for sure. Um, Also, so you look at the intermediate high that we were going to be targeting. Look at that, TP would have been perfect, and now we're really seeing that reversal start to play out. Um, like this would have been like an entry in itself. 3 minute inversion, take it back down to this low. That's looking like it's playing out pretty nicely so far. But yeah, other than that, boys, I will catch you tomorrow, hopefully, for another recap. And yeah, peace out.